Hey everyone, and welcome to music. Let's get started with our welcome song. Hello everybody, hello. Hello everybody, hello. Hello everybody, hello everybody. Hello everybody, hello. Hello everybody, hello. Hello everybody, hello. Hello everybody, hello everybody. Hello everybody, hello. Awesome. So today we're going to be talking about dynamics. So does anybody remember or does anybody know what dynamics are? So dynamics are how loud or how quiet you play something. So dynamics is how loud or how quiet you play something. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So if I were to play loudly, there's a very special word in music that we use to describe a loud sound. Does anybody know what that might be? Forte. So forte means playing loudly, just like this. Alright, so if forte means loud, then that makes sense that there has to be a special word for quiet. Does anybody know what that word might be? Piano. Piano means to play quietly, so like this. So if something sounds loud to you, which word are you going to use? Piano or forte? Forte. And if something sounds quiet, it's going to be piano. So I'm going to play forte and piano, and I want you to tell me which dynamic I'm using. Am I playing loud or am I playing quiet? Quiet is piano, loud is forte. It's piano, forte. Forte, piano. Good. So do we ever really just play in loud and quiet? What do you think? Sometimes we do, but there are a few other levels of volume. So we have loud, which is forte. Then we have something called like medium loud, so somewhere between soft and loud. That is called mezzo forte. So this is forte, and this is mezzo forte. So it's a little bit quieter, but it's not the quietest. It's just something called pianissimo. So we have piano, we have forte, we have mezzo forte, which means medium loud. Now there's another one I'm going to teach you. It's not quite quiet, so it's not piano, but just like there's a medium loud, maybe there's a medium quiet. So the word for that is mezzo, medium, piano, quiet. So this is piano, and this is mezzo piano. Just a tiny little bit louder. All right, well, there are two more. So we have forte, which is loud. Then we have something called fortissimo, and that is the absolute loudest you can possibly play. So if this is forte, then this is fortissimo. Just even louder. And just like there's a fortissimo, meaning the loudest, there is a pianissimo, which means the quietest. It's almost like you barely hear it. So let's review. Loud is forte. Quiet is piano. Medium loud is mezzo forte, medium quiet is mezzo piano, and the absolute loudest is fortissimo, and the absolute quietest is pianissimo. Okay, then we have special symbols in music that tell us how to use these dynamics in our playing. So I'm going to demonstrate something, and I want you to think about and then tell me what's happening. So listen again. Alright, so I started quiet, and then what did I do? Did I get quieter or did I get louder? I got louder. So the word for that, going from quiet to loud, is called a crescendo. Now, do you think there might be a word for the opposite if I went from loud to quiet? This is what it would sound like. So the word from going from loud to really quiet, that is called a decrescendo, or even diminuendo. But we're going to use decrescendo because that's the most popular one that we will use. So getting from quiet to loud is called a crescendo, and getting from loud all the way down to quiet, that's called a decrescendo. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to play you a piece of music. I'm just going to do the first little section, and I want you to really listen. I'm not going to use dynamics the first time through, so I'm going to play it just the notes, and then when I play it again, I'm going to play with dynamics so that you can see what the difference is, why we use them. Okay, so that's the piece without any kind of dynamics. Now I'm going to try it again. This time I'm going to use dynamics like crescendo and decrescendo and forte and mezzo piano and all those things we talked about. And I want you to think about what is different. If it made you feel any different, if it sounded any different at all. So here I go. So, did you hear a difference? I hope you heard a difference. So, what does that do? That changing your volume, what does that do to the whole listening to a piece? Does it make it more exciting? Does it make it more fun to listen to? All that stuff. What does it make you feel something more? So for me, when I play something with dynamics, I know that if I start quiet and I'm getting louder and I'm getting louder, that makes me really, really excited. And then when I go from something really loud and then all of a sudden it's quiet, it's kind of a shock, kind of surprising. Same thing if I'm playing really quiet in one section and then super loud all of a sudden. It just gives you that excitement and this feeling like you don't know what's going to happen next, especially if the dynamics are changing all over the place. So that's dynamics. That's our lesson for today. I will see you guys next week. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.